We're back at the track. It's gonna be another drift day here. We didn't even trailer. Megan just drove the car here and I drove the van, support vehicle. We got some tires and Megan's gonna be driving today, not me. So she's gonna be learning for her second day of drifting, and hopefully she'll do a course, the whole course by the end of the day. So figure eights, and then of course see how it goes. I don't know if you guys have seen the previous videos, but I can't get over the fact that we have a fridge at the track and this amazing living room area. The car's ready. Got fresh tires on there, Kenda KR20As, the 180 thread wear. I love them. Everybody should try them out. Brought all the tools we're gonna need in case of anything, and that should hold us for the rest of the day. It started raining, but I got a new bumper. Ryan brought it for me. I'm pretty excited. I got it from the Z Plug. You also check him out. I'm gonna put the link in the description. He's the man. I hit some stuff with the bash bar. Last time I hit bend on this side, so now the bash bar is holding it up right there. So I'll have to bend that back to try to get it to fit. But I'm pretty excited because I like having a one-piece car. I don't like this whole cut bumper Florida style. Don't do that. I mean, they like it. Good for them. It's their car. But I like this. Pretty excited. You ready to drive?
Maybe.
All right, let's go. What are you doing?
I forgot.
How you forgot?
Because we haven't been in a while.
So I'm pretty pissed right now because they have this stupid rule where you can't give ride-alongs if you don't have a roll cage. I'm an approved A-class driver at Tandem here. I've been driving for over 10 years. Kevin Lawrence is a pro driver. They're not letting him give ride-alongs and teach somebody else. This is stupid. New people want to learn. Megan wants to learn. If there's no one in the car with her, no one can learn. They need to change this. Knowing how to avoid is very important in this class. Luke! Oh yeah! Brand new!
Tire, that's tire, that's fine.
I know, that's Matt. I have it on video. Dude, it's brand new. Dude, you got in this car, first lap, you just ripped. You drove it better than me. Now I feel bad. Why are people watching my channel? They should be watching yours.
Yes. But no, second gear's a bit funny, huh?
Yeah, it is.
That's what I did those few times.
I saw.
The revs go up, then it won't.
Yeah.
It's bad enough being on the wrong side trying to change gears. I'm like, am I just retarded? But I'm glad you said that second gear's funny.
No, second gear's funny.
I'm really glad you said second gear's funny.
Did you, so is this your first time driving left hand?
No, I've driven it a couple of times, but it always takes getting used to it again.
Yeah. Yeah, I can't drive right hand drive at all.
Yeah. It's just feeling the angle out. And then those last 2 laps, I was like, I'm losing grip, there's something going on, and then yeah, it was on wild.
Yeah, I saw it. Dude, it killed them. Sec Novas, how do you like those tires?
They're pretty good. I find that
The Kendas?
I'm guessing the difference between my car, my setups, and this is you've got a lot of front grip.
That's the Kendas. I love those tires. Those are the ones I put in the back usually.
Yeah, I don't like it.
No.
I like the front to slide a bit.
Oh, I see.
It's like the GK Tech stuff's sick. I love using it, and it makes far more sense than using expensive ISAB stuff that when you hit stuff it costs you $1 billion.
Yeah.
But they only have so much lock, so I find running a real slippery front tire, you can send it well past the amount of lock you got and let the front come with you. That's why I'm like throwing backies all day long in mine with just GK Tech, you know what I mean? Like just letting that front slide a bit more.
All right, I'll take that advice. I'll change the front to something slipperier.
Dude,
they have a higher tread wear.
Yeah, you're gonna love it when you get the lower control arms.
Yeah.
Because when you transition in this, I have to like actually like I remember how my Z was to drive, and I have to like with like the G. I got 9 degrees of caster on that.
That's the thing. This has that active caster, the stock 2-arm on the knuckle. Correct. Yeah. So it just likes to do all this. But when with the lowers, I'm so excited. That's gonna be amazing.
They're better.
For 2.5 hours doing nothing, and then come out and shred. So that was fun to watch. Over. Actually, I'm just gonna call out the stuff that I saw.
All right, Luke killed it in the car. Now Megan has to go out there and enjoy the rest of the day. I'm not driving today at all. I'm gonna focus on her, and she's gonna get some good circles down, and she's gonna understand the car. Now we know the car works, thanks to Luke. Now she's gotta do the same thing. There you go. Nice. And that's how you drift. Perfect. Transition, you can do it. She's got it. Oh, a little too much. If she can do a transition, we'll try to go on the skid pad. Oh! Yeah! Stay on throttle! Oh. You gave it too much throttle. See, this is why transitions are important. It teaches you initiation. Because she's good once she gets in drift like that. Initiating into the drift is the hard part. There you go, throttle! There you go, that's a transition, keep going! Nice and wide. Getting ready to transition, now. There you go, turn, throttle! Just keep going. Oh, why are you stopping? You think so?
Yeah. You're doing great.
Let's watch her. Let's watch her one more
Real
time.
comfortable.
Right? You guys are next, right?
Yeah. Talk to the boys.
All right, I forgot to record it, but she just did like some good circles and a good transition. But I was enjoying the moment. That's what I was doing. There we go, circles, transition, stay on the throttle, keep doing circles, keep doing circles. Oh, there you go. A little understeer, but she's getting it. Been trying to flag her down for like a minute, not paying attention.
Probably not.
Are you sweating?
Yeah, it's real hot.
That's the life of a drift car. You did good.
I'm gonna go again if we have time.
Yeah, you have plenty of time.
It's just too hot.
Keep going.
I was starting to get like nauseous and dizzy. I'm like, oh god, this is gonna have to be good.
You want to know how you get better at driving or drifting at your local track? This is it. Get back in the car. Keep driving. Don't quit. Don't stop. I know it's hot. I know, you know, there's a line. Keep going. Seat time is the most important time. All right, you're gonna get muscle memory. After this, you're gonna go home. You're gonna rest, and it's gonna sink in. Next time you come back, you have a memory there that you don't even realize, and it'll help you drive. Trust me. Plus, also have a BQZ. They drive themselves. My boy Camel's in the house.
Down here, dog.
He has a YouTube channel. Go check it out.
Come style.
He drives the compound all the time. I need to make it out there. I've been driving with you for over 10 years.
I remember CMRC
You know,
days.
We're old, bro.
Yeah.
We're old.
Yeah. You know how hard it was to get out of bed at 6 o'clock this morning?
Yeah.
Make it here late.
Car's looking good though.
Thanks, dog. I did a lot last.
You got a new power steering pump?
New power steering pump, new cooler. My rack was shot out, so my whole rack was fucking side to side. So I was having some issues driving, and I feel that's a big part of it.
Yeah.
Like just.
I put it in one of my videos, like we and you tandem in, and a bunch of other people.
It
You're
looked
in
good.
there. Yeah.
I liked it up.
Dude,
I was peeping.
That's the first time us driving, I think, in a while.
Yeah.
Because I haven't driven the S13 in a minute.
I'm really trying to drive some more, dog.
This thing looks so good. Dang.
I'd be so busy with work in the morning, then I got work in the morning, then I got my shop, and then I got the gym, and
YouTube.
And then I'm on call as well.
And YouTube.
Yeah.
Same
So it's
thing.
like,
I do similar things.
It's like, it's so hard to post videos, and it's just like, even when I'm working on the car, I'm so focused on getting it done and getting it done. It's like, yo, I don't even want to videotape, but it's like, I got to.
Dude, I'm so glad someone else knows my pain.
Yo, it's hard. It's hard. I ain't gonna lie.
All right, she's getting the hang of it. There we go. She needs to throw a little bit more angle, but that's good. And then transition, stay on it, stay on it. There you go, that's perfect. Perfect. Now transition. I think an ant just bit me. Ah! If you're trying to get into drifting and you haven't decided what chassis you should go with, I am a big supporter of the Z33 chassis, the 350Z. It's definitely amazing. It hasn't overheated. It runs great, has no issues. It gets a little hot, obviously, when you're hot lapping after, like, Luke took it out on track. But it's a great, great car. A couple of coolers to keep the temps down. Any car's gonna get hot. I really love the wheelbase in this car. It looks short, but it's actually 104. 240 is about 98, 99. So this is actually a little longer than a 240, but it isn't as long as like an SC, or even the G35s are like 114. All you really need for a beginner drift car is a hydraulic e-brake to a dual caliper setup right there. One's for the foot brake, one's for the e-brake. A welded differential, cut-off exhaust, Bell Raceworks diff brace. You need that, whether you think you need it or not. That one rubber bushing is not enough to hold the diff. And the most important part in any drift car, whether it be a Z or E36 or an SC or an IS300, whatever you need, is suspension. Suspension matters more than you think. Suspension is what it's going to keep the body weight from making it really hard to throw it around. That's what you really need right there. What do you think?
Hot and sweaty, I don't think anything.
Is it fun?
A lot of fun.
But it's also very hot.
Yeah.
Bell Raceworks bash bar with the jack point coming in clutch. Matt said he's got his girlfriend changing his tires too. That's right. In Orlando, we make the girls work too. Where you going? Where you going, little buddy? No. Where you going? You belong over there. All right, we're back in the car. We're at the skid pad waiting in line. She's gonna go out there and try to do a second gear turn. I can ride in the car in the skid pad, but I can't ride in the car on the oval, and I think that's kind of dumb, so I hope they fix that. But for now, this is what we're gonna do. That was pretty good. So if you didn't know, S13s are now antiques from '89 and 1990. Later. Now. Throttle. That way. You had too much throttle there. You're hot, now you're cold?
Yeah, it's cold here.
Made it to Gringos. Found some cool friends. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. I love tacos. Arthur just shows up out of nowhere. Guys, this is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, liking, subscribing. Make sure you check out Luke's channel. Goodbye.